Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a light. No, we have an OC&T freight train doing some freight work. Let's check it out. But I gotta turn the camera below that way. That's why, huh? No, I had to turn the camera below it so we could see her.
So they're going backwards now?
Yeah. They're just packing up that grain hopper.
And then where are they going to go? That way?
I think, but we're not sure. Yeah, we're in, this is East Titusville right now, yeah. There we go. That's better with the zoom in wise, huh? Oops, I got too dark. Here we go, huh? Wait till we hear that horn and we'll get off and get back on. I haven't heard no horn yet. This is, what, 75 or, no, this is 85. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.